Welcome to All In on Tech, our deep dive discussions organized by Smart-EDU Hub.
Great to be here.
Today we're tackling something huge. Programming 2.0, the rise of superhuman agentic software engineering.
Right, and our whole mission here is to unpack the sources you sent over, especially that analysis by Cutall and Vrabey.
It's a lot to unpack. We've got predictions from OpenAI, some insights from Stanford, and a healthy dose of skepticism, too.
Let's just jump right in with the biggest claim. I mean, this is the one that stops you in your tracks.
The one from Kevin Weil at OpenAI.
Exactly. Just a few months ago, in May 2025, he said AI will become, and I'm quoting here, indisputably and irreversibly better than humans at programming.
Just like what happened with chess or Go, that is a staggering claim.
It really is.
But is it just, marketing talk? Or is there actual evidence that AI can do more than just solve little coding puzzles?
Well, look, the shift is in the technology itself. We're moving from just large language models, LLMs, to something new. They're combining them with reinforcement learning to create large reasoning models, or LRMs.
Reasoning, so it's not just predicting the next word.
Exactly. And you can see it in the competitive coding stats. The specialized model O1, not long ago, it placed near the 1,000th spot globally.
Which sounds high, but you have to remember.
That's already in the top 2 to 3% of tens of millions of programmers worldwide. It's already elite.
And the speed of improvement is. It's just wild. Sam Altman posted on X, formerly Twitter, that the next model, O3, is projected to be the 175th best in the world.
And he also said they have a model internally that's already at rank 50, their goal.
Superhuman, better than rank 1.
By the end of this year.
Which leads right into this idea of programming 2.0, right? Where you just state your goal and the software gets created.
Yes. This is Andrew Ng's vision of democratizing innovation. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella predicts that creation will be handled by these agentic AI models.
So wait, what does that team even look like? The sources described it as a human project manager.
Right, who defines the goals.
An AI robot code monkey that does the work.
And then a human code reviewer who checks the output. The human just moves up the stack away from the keyboard.
Are these agents actually working now?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh.
Look at Monica's Manus agent. It can run in Linux, clone projects, install dependencies, even diagnose issues. It acts like a junior developer setting up their workspace.
The key thing I saw mentioned was vision. How does that work?
So Manus uses browser interactions, but OpenAI's operator, which is now an API, has a kind of real vision. It sees the screen like a human and actually clicks on buttons.
That's a huge leap for doing complex tasks.
It is. Sam Altman even said engineers are now doing in an afternoon what would take them 2 years just a little while ago. Yeah. The efficiency game is real.
Okay, but this can't all be good news. What's the reality check here? The pushback?
The big fear is something called AI slop. Just a massive volume of low-quality AI-generated code.
And developers might not even realize it's bad. That whole Dunning-Kruger effect, thinking you understand it when you really, really don't.
Exactly. So the value shifts.
How so?
The future demand, the huge salaries, will go to the people who can repair the errors the AI assistants make. The ones who truly understand what the code is doing under the hood.
That makes sense. It's not about writing the code, but architecting and debugging it at a very high level.
And this isn't a new prediction. Matthew David Welsh at Harvard saw this coming back in 2023. He said computer science as we know it would change in 3 to 5 years.
He cited those stats about Copilot, didn't he?
He did. That users without an AI assistant like Copilot are already 30 to 40% less efficient. You're already falling behind if you're not using one.
So if the AI can now handle the typing, the reasoning, even the setup, it leaves us with a really provocative thought for you, our listener, to chew on. What happens when a task requires true ground-up creativity? Real innovative problem solving that's never been done before? Will the AI assistant rise to that challenge?
Or does that remain the truly essential human contribution? That's the line between automation and artistry.
Thank you for diving deep with us today. You can find a link to the article by Cutall and Vrabey in the description below.
And please like and subscribe to the Smart-EDU Hub channel. That way you'll be the first to get our next deep dive.